Welcome to Lebanon Works. This is a national movement, a growing force for change that brings together job creation, private sector leadership, education, and policy-to-action collaboration across all stakeholders. At its core, it is built around one belief. When Lebanon works, everyone moves forward. Here's how it works. The homepage is the entry point. It shows what the movement is achieving in numbers. You'll see real-time data on the workforce engaged, sectors activated, and companies involved. We also feature our partners and sponsors to thank them by highlighting their news and insights, a section for sharing stories, and spotlighting local initiatives. It keeps the movement alive with fresh content. A jobs board is where it connects talent with opportunities, posting new vacancies from member organizations across the country. Then you will see the policy asks. These are powerful, data-backed proposals created by the Lebanese private sector network for 12 vital sectors, like agriculture, healthcare, real estate, and more. Each sector page includes workforce stats, GDP contributions, national challenges, and clear recommendations for action. Next, you'll find the Spaces section. This is where every participating company, institution, or enabler is featured. Beyond a directory, it is a live map of who's contributing to Lebanon's future. You can filter by role, job creator, educator, or enabler, and by sector. And each organization has its own customized space, a digital presence where they can publish updates and news, promote their projects, post available jobs, highlight impact stories, and soon connect with others through collaborative hubs. It's more than visibility, it's influence and connection in action. Soon, the platform will launch hubs, collaborative spaces focused on specific national priorities like digital transformation, sustainability, and export development. Everything is structured to do one thing. Activate the power of Lebanon's private sector and connect it with those who want to build the future. So if you're an organization looking to hire, influence policy, or grow your presence, this is your space. If you're an educator or enabler, your work belongs here. If you care about Lebanon's future, this is your invitation. Join the movement at LebanonWorks.net, because when we work together, Lebanon works.